Girls, well today in math we're going to be working with lesson practice 129, so 129. And we're learning a new word today, which I know you're like, oh man, we're learning another word. This one's actually kind of fun. So this word is symmetry, which means it looks the same on one side as the other side. Now let me show you an example. If you cut Miss Gish's face in half, my eyes are the same color on either side, right? And my nose would be the same if you cut it in half. I don't have a bigger nose on one side and a bigger nose on the other, right? And if you cut, let's see, what's another example? If you cut Jesse in half this way, he's gonna look, or she's gonna look the same on either side, right? So boys and girls, it's when you cut something in half, like maybe even a piece of paper, or when you make one of those paper hearts and you cut it to try to make half of it, and you open it up and it's the exact same shape, right? So it's looking at shapes and making sure they're the same on both sides. So boys and girls, we are looking at lesson practice 129, okay? And this is what it looks like. And let me show you. So if I, and you don't have to fold yours, but if I folded my paper exactly in, oh, hold on. Okay, exactly in half on that line in the middle of the shape. If I opened it back up, now we can tell that on this fold right here, that shape is the exact same on either side, right? So it says at the top, it says color the pattern blocks in the symmetry design. Now, boys and girls, you can't just color them however you want because it has to be the same. So if I were to color this pattern block, which is our trapezoid, if I was to color this one red, I couldn't color that one blue. I should probably color it the same color because it has to be the same on either side. One of my face side isn't blue and the other one is red, right? It's all one color, right? So that's what it means to be symmetrical. It means that it looks the same on either side of the line when it's cut in half. Oops. So just like that, red. So that's what you do on the front side. So it's a little bit fun, and it's looking at symmetrical shapes. And then on the back, you're gonna add them, right? So you're gonna add your dice together looking at either side, right? So you have 6 and you have 1, and if you were to do 6 plus 1 equals, I'm gonna let you figure it out. So it's doing the dice, but making sure that you're writing the number on the whole line, right? So you get the whole line, okay? So making sure that we can see that you're taking time to write your numbers are straight and not backwards, right? I know that can be a challenge, but you got it, all right? So remember, being symmetrical means that it's the same on either side. And then if you want to, you can go practice another symmetrical shape, and it's a turtle that I have on the planes as well, if you want to go draw that out as well. So, because animals are the same on there, if you fold them in half, they'd be the same as well on either side. So it's kind of a cool word, so I hope that you have fun coloring your symmetric shape today. See you later.